I love to hang around the lazy countryside with nature's gang around the lazy countryside, where the crickets you don't hear in the city keep a humming in your ear, oh so pretty, and it's just too much for words, listening to the chorus of the birds. I like to stay